Hi everyone. Okay, so first of all, please read this little message that I have written for you guys. And now let's get right into the video. So as you already read, today I will be reviewing and trying out a new mask, which is a rubber mask by Dr. Jart, available at Sephora. It's a really different mask and it comes in a packet like this, which I had a hard time opening, not gonna lie. And in this packet you will find one rubber mask. This is what the packaging looks like. So weird. And the second thing is this ampule pack. It comes in this small box, and this is basically the step one for this ritual. And this is what it looks like. It's like a gel kind of consistency, but it's really thick. And I'm applying it onto my freshly cleansed face, making sure all the product goes onto my face. There was a lot of product in this ampule pack, so I applied some of it onto my neck, and now I'm making sure everything is into my skin, so I tap it in. Next, going in with the second step. This is the rubber mask. Opening the mask up, and I'm making weird faces. And by the way, this mask claims to soothe your skin and moisturize it really well, so let's see how it does. This is what it looks like. It's like a little rubber, really different than usual masks. And now I'm applying it onto the upper part of my face, and it's falling. I had a hard time managing this mask. It looks blue, it's not see-through, very different. It's finally on my face, thank God. And now I'm applying the second part on the lower part of my face. I like how it's divided in two parts. It's really different. Okay, so secured, and I set a timer for 30 minutes, and now we're just gonna wait for 30 minutes and see how it works. Okay, 30 minutes are over and we will be removing the mask. So I'm removing the mask, and it felt really good. Like, it felt refreshing. And yeah, I like this mask, man. I mean, it's different. This is what my skin looks right after taking the mask off. You will hear my final thoughts in a bit. So my skin definitely feels soft, hydrated, refreshed, and cool. But I'm not sure if this result is gonna be long term. Anyway, I really loved this mask. I loved how it felt on my face. Super different. And thumbs up to this mask. I like it, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna invest in it because it's really expensive. Bye guys.